Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to stream on Twitch. Are you ready to share your gaming skills with the world? Or maybe you want to start a live talk show or showcase your creative talents. Whatever your passion may be, Twitch is the perfect platform to share it with a global audience. In this tutorial, we will learn how to stream on Twitch. So get ready to start streaming. Open your web browser. Type obsproject.com in the URL bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Windows button to download the OBS Studio and install it on your computer. I have already installed it on this PC, so going to open it. Click on the Tools menu at the top. Click on the Auto Configuration Wizard menu. Make sure the first radio button of Optimize for Streaming Recording is secondary is selected, and then click on the Next button. Select the video resolution from the drop-down list and select the FPS. Click on the Next button and select Twitch from the drop-down list. Click on the Connect Account Recommended button. Log in with your username and password of Twitch account. This will authenticate and load information of your Twitch account. Click on the Next button, and this will connect with your Twitch account. Click on Apply Settings. Click on the plus button in the Sources box and select the Game Capture option. Give a name and click on the OK button. Select the checkboxes as per your requirement, and then click on the OK button. Click on the Start Streaming button on the right side of the controls box. This will start streaming on your Twitch. Click on the Stop Streaming button to stop the live stream. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.